megalayapost.news.
Harengkat ketong bakongsan banwan rak biang ha bernihat ya kejingku jing suba kumba julong kiwi pat kisnong hapo jong kejela menta kesengina kaliang ke office jong deputy commissioner keriboy harengkat kejing trilang bat ke umling blok bandru kejing isim mentalang daga Green Tech Foundation kilahir sebernihat ban pli pajba ya kejing pensyai pajba halor kejing berat patari kinyut kinyer ha kilenti sengkian bat kumno banwan rak biang pan ya kejing ku hagani katan la pli pajba ai kini kejing sedang ya kejing ajing hikai halor ke solid waste management da block development officer ke umling CNRD Block Eric Calvin Dekar ke Dr. Bashida Masa Resource Person Batba H Bansudo Nonglang Chairman ke Green Tech Foundation harengkat ke jing don lang UCM ke Raj Marwat uken CM kirang ba snong jong ki ar photoliki snong jong katan bernihan bat ki kena school habakran nakaliang ki katu kani kirang ba snong gilapan pa ke jing sorem haba maki kum kinong snong jong ke bernihan kinyo sngo ya ke kubor ba ke bernihan ke dei ke snong ke bajabo tam hapertai bat mental leng ba ke jing persyang jong ke office jong deputy commissioner ba ke Green Tech Foundation ki belas sedang benya lenti penyalap pajba kumno banra biang ya ke jingku po jong snong bernihan banakaliang ke snong ru ki kloy benetre lang na ke benta kani ke kam babha nakaliang chairman ke Green Tech Foundation ba Bansudor ulaong bamenta nakaliang ke foundation kan sedang rung no sekiar potli kisnong ki badan hakatan bernihan ban pensyai pajba halor ke jingdon kam banwan rak biang ya ke jingku jing subah ha kisnong omtang ha ke jing berat pathari ki nyut henrei ke jing jabo kal air bat ki kiwa ki bami na ki yeng ki sam bat ki karkhana henrei kane kinla ban pun urlong ringkat ke jing trailang bat kisnong ki thau ki kena school kilong kimi bat ki samla
habiri bakane solid waste management IOI ngitip ba karena kesnong omle tak kesnong mutumai senong burni henrei hapo ke area burni di Broadway ka jingri jong kini ki solid waste kalau ba pala hadu kata-kata ada ngian hakilenti ki sengkien kini ki surau IOI ki cikjabo ki bami ki badam hasil der jong kene ke surau ada ngipe lekam tam ajan jong kene karu tukawa lagi cross ya kejingtim nangis siliang baksa te siliang lu kalau kumju kejingtap ki jabo te kum kilong song ni dong kejing snow rem kam tam baba ni kesnong jongi mo ke area burni kalasa ban yo ya kata rangkum ka number 1 polluted city not only in India but in the world had to pertai away te kum kinong song nidap daka jings mulai ran bat nidap ko daka jings ngusi henrei ngimla kan le namar ba kejing pun priu kita priu di balaya per akan ada jaka bat kum juru kali highway nangka kejing dan jongki industries tu per kawan ra ya kejing jabo hapo kaneka area bat kesnam kejongi te kum kinong song ngitan kata ka jing perkhat kumki para noni alam senong kumno bangin le banwan ra banweng ya kini ki jing jabo ki badap ha kaneka senong ka jongi.
You are the future of the state. Kadayan katalong kami ramba ro we need you young people. This issue here is very important, so wherever you are, hangno bapidon. I like when I see the eye contact. Hangno bapidon. Wherever you are, remember you play a key role in whatever field. In this field here, we are what? To combat, to fight against what? Rangba senang, iong mentang. Sabang kebernihan, which is, the first rank in the world. It's kebernihan kejing jabatan. You young people, you are here. You are here, and I wish many of you will be here. To be first rank in something that is not good is a pity for us, but we have a role to change this problem. Young people, you are in class 6. I talk to some of you. You are in class 6, class 8, class 9. Where will you go from here? You have a role to play to reduce pollution. We are talking about solid waste. Solid waste, kapaman na kumanda gitu, kapag English, kada kanyun, kapami, nakaye, nakasu. See, the waste from where? From our houses every day. especially the small kids. Where do you throw the waste? Where do you throw the waste? At school or at home? Keep plastic, Coca-Cola and then the chips, the packets of the chips, Lays and where do you throw them? Surah, Halanti Singin, Hadasbin. Okay, wherever you are, whatever you do, remember, we contribute to the pollution, like what Narang Ashnam already said, that you and me contributed to this #1 rank in the state in terms of what? Polluted city. Kasnang kabaja buatan mga bababi ni contribute na nengi ganbenta. Balay na marma bon nangi lanagi yaj sa desakay. When we walk here and there on the road, we see. Though we are educated, we were taught where to throw, where to dump. We tend to throw outside the house in the nala, outside the school, somewhere, anywhere. We throw, we dump the rubbish, yes or no? We don't really care. And because of this, you young people, you school children, you know that you have to put into practice what you have learned.
A great deal of planning, a great deal of execution, and a great deal of responsibility that is taken not only by the district administration, not only by the block office, but also by each and every member of the 20 villages that fall under Barnihat circle, which unfortunately has been infamously tagged as one of the most polluted, not only in the state, not only in the country, but also in the world. So today marks the beginning of change. Change not only for me and for you, but for the future that is to come. So ngakarpat ya boro yaki rangba abadon hamni mentakas ngi nadu ipaim ilingdo I president jongka senjuk ki rangba asnong hani Barnihat circle ki rangba asnong secretary asnong badon burob hamni subha banya trailang batngi nakaliang ka district administration bangin yo panpenpoy hakata senjam badai banwara ya ka jingko jing subah hangni hasnong Barnihat jungi. Each one of us is to carry forward this legacy of cleanliness which will begin not only from today but also from tomorrow and from yesterday in fact. So whatever is to be done to bring cleanliness to these 20 villages, it is our collective responsibility, and all the headmen, all the Senglong Kame, all the Seng Samla, all the citizens, all the residents of each and every village, of each and every household has to actively play part in this goal that we have to achieve. And just to mention that yes, each and every household, covering almost I think 8,000 to 10,000 households within this Barnihat circle, will be getting from this project, will be getting dustbins for wet waste and for dry waste. They'll be getting vehicles to ensure that waste is collected from each and every household and segregated at the material recovery center, and waste is disposed of in the correct manner. And also it will provide employment to the local youth from these 20 villages that fall under Barnihat circle. So I request you, right from the heads of each and every village, President Jongka Senjuk, Ipaim, Ilingdo, Subha, Banyashim Ayakani, please give us your active support, please ensure participation so that we can reach our goal.
I go here to do something special. Now, let's speak about the project. I'm going to go Nanti yang kedua, bila I di sini trailer, nak tahu project. Mereka terasa orang sangi kita tak. Ini memang snow, ini memang berat. Dia dan ini, ini balik di kuapan keren bertempau datang ke sekolah supaya bawa orang mereka projek lomba midon kam kan juga sama sampai kini kisno ibadon akan dikira sudah terlihat midon kam kan juga sama Kabiri pada projek kapag insaskan na tukiman muli ni video dan burang muli yung insang pipit kita tinggi baik insai kita di dosbin pang sebagainya kawis but insang konstruk hal bata kawis itu bisa ini ni kuat video kecil trilang na bentai ini kisno ibadon apo jom kabarni sakit ni tujuh nomor pada yang berita commission ni kersan hai ke projek nomor ku kami persikatan ya keren yang izin sabo commission page terlihat lebih lebih sama kami kersan kalau kebaik ia pada institusi yang mau kebaik ia belum makin turun ataupun job ia projek ini itu bah unik sapoi Bandung hari ini arpo pilih isno di dalam apa jom berikan sakit lalu undang dan ini way isno di bawah menjadi Bandung hingga pak kejutan dalam kabar kini sokan semua undang layu kasih napo kaumnya dalam semua jalan iseng sama iseng lokami baru ini sosno ni buka soal sesuatu ini tapi jenis keren tapi jenis betul dia akan projek mengkapai tapi bagi syariah yang lain lalu ni buat kalau berpihak jadi kan ayo kerkan ayo kerkan berjuang apa berkai itu kami
Meghalaya Post.news